Welcome to Carmen Bohol, home of the world famous chocolate hills. The lot area is more than 4 hectares, 41,641 square meters. This is the Mohon boundary marker of the property, titled that with complete documents. The property is adjacent to the barangay cemented road and continues down there. Amazing opportunities for you to build. Lots of potential businesses to develop here. For example, residential subdivision, leisure park, or even farming. This is enough size of the land to be built for. Look at how flat the land is. The house is not included. There is another mahon in that area for the property boundaries. This could be your view. Chocolate hills, gorgeous hills. Flat terrain land, excellent for building or for farming. The frontage is very wide. This area here is a cornfield and other root crops. You have electricity and water available. That's the line of the electricity. It's along the road. That's the barangay road, and this is the property. They have a pathway here going inside to the property. Let's go inside to the property. Right there, there is another mohorn. That's the boundary of the property from there going up here. All those trees can be yours. So we're going back to the road. Please don't hesitate to contact me, Marietta Labisoris, before this property being sold. I'm Marietta, your Bohol salesperson. I cover the entire Philippines. Are you thinking of buying or selling? Have a real estate property for sale? I will gladly assist you throughout this important decision making process in the Philippines.